4-story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. Make a great choice today with the 2020 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.